Jai Sai Ram, a warm and heartfelt welcome to our Sai family across the world. As some of you may know, I've been doing quite a bit of talking lately. From exploring how we'll recognize Prema Sai to the simplest practice Baba ever taught, to the beautiful secret behind Krishna's flute. And while words can teach and words can inspire, nothing touches the soul quite like a Sai bhajan. When we sing his name, something happens that no discourse can do. The mind becomes quiet, the heart opens, and for a few precious minutes, it is not us reaching for God, it is God reaching for us. So today, we begin something new on this channel, and there is only one bhajan we could possibly begin with. In 1940, a 14-year-old boy sat beneath a tree and sang the very first words the Avatar ever spoke to humanity. Manasa bhajare Guru Charanam, worship in the mind. This is where it all began. Close your eyes, open your heart, and let him in. Jai Sai Ram.
Manasa bhajare Guru Charanam, Manasa bhajare Guru Charanam, Manasa bhajare Guru Charanam, Manasa bhajare Guru Charanam, Manasa bhajare Guru Charanam. Sai Charanam Pranamamyaham, Sai Charanam Pranamamyaham, Sai Charanam Pranamamyaham, Sai Charanam Pranamamyaham, Satya Sai Charanam Pranamamyaham, Satya Sai Charanam Pranamamyaham, Satya Sai Charanam Pranamamyaham, Satya Sai Charanam Pranamamyaham. निर्मल हृदय विराजित चरणं, निर्मल हृदय विराजित चरणं, निर्मल हृदय विराजित चरणं, निर्मल हृदय विराजित चरणं, सकल चराचर व्यापक 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 चरणं. भवसागर उद्धारक चरणं, भवसागर उद्धारक चरणं, भवसागर उद्धारक चरणं.